Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is March 17th, 2022, and it's a decent day. We had PIK. That was a winner for me. Hopefully you guys capitalized. Good moves, good setups, good spread, good volume. Had everything we wanted. Now the only thing that we didn't want is the false breakout, and I'm going to show you where I got smoked by PIK. Anyway, hit thumbs up, subscribe if you like the recaps. My P&L is coming up right now. $300.02. Ooh, yeah. It's a tough one for me today. The reason why is because I started initially on PIK. And I started around, I think I made about 130, 160 bucks on it, maybe a little bit more. I was at 300 mark almost before this 1 minute candle happened. You see this 1 minute candle? It's disgusting. That break of 405 into 430, 428, instant flush to 370 to VWAP. Insane. I was loaded here. Got smoked. I believe my entry was around 405 and I got out, was it 382 or something like that? Anyway, it's more than 20 cents. Insane. I know it's the consequences of scalpers, and I know scalpers really care about those micro flushes and micro breakouts and everything. So unfortunately this stuff happens, and regardless of this stuff, the stock still gave a good opportunities. And look what happened in the last hour, last power hour of this stock, right? If we go into this area, look what happened. Increase in volume, no more volume, kind of sell off. Not a big sell off, right? That's a good sign. And now look at that bull flag here, set up, volume increase, bam. We got into $6. We broke $6. It was so heavy at the $6 area. We dumped. But look at those candles. Look at that sharp slope here. That's what we like to see. I wish we saw this initially a little bit, like maybe in the first 15 minutes of the market open. Unfortunately, we can't ask for everything. So anyway, PIK gave me a good opportunities and a good setups. I capitalized on it. I'm happy that I did. EIGR and AERC, there was something else. EIGR, good opportunities, don't get me wrong. The only thing is the micro flushes. Micro flushes there, they piss me off. And every time the stock moved, the bid was kind of stable and didn't move at all. And I was just going back and forth, just like typically for the past 2 weeks. That's the example of EIGR today. Nothing really much to talk about this stock. It's just unfortunate that I wasn't there at the right place at the right time. I feel like if I would have held some of my dip buys, I would have actually made money. And that's not my strategy. I sell off as soon as I see a weakness in the stock. AERC. This one, actually, I'm not sure why. Oh yeah, by the way, my data subscription, something happened to it. I don't know, like when I started today. So I was kind of running blind and I didn't have time to reset it up. I think I need to resubscribe or whatnot. But what happened to AERC, there were no volume in that stock. And then I got in, it was maybe 75 shares, thinking it's like, okay, it's a small share size. And the thing just flushes 30 cents. And I'm like, okay. And then I was like, you know what? I'm not touching you again because I got in a no volume and that's pretty much it. LITM, same scenario. There were a couple opportunities, but nothing crazy. I think it was really a kind of lucked out type of situation where I was at the right place at the right time and I had a decent share size on it. So $55. Just kind of compensated for the losses on AERC and EIGR. So not going to go into KC and SGLY and MULN. MULN, by the way, it shows like a 7 million share stock, but the way that stock traded, guys, this like that break of 261, that was like painful to watch. Every time you see this volume, it doesn't do anything. So you're kind of like, what? What is going on? It traded like it was a freaking Tesla. It traded like it was Apple. You know, it's like so many buyers and sell 30,000 share sellers. They're just like stacked up there. And like you get kind of turned away from it. But anyway, just a little bit here, just base hits on the MULN. You know, $10, nothing really much, but still green. So anyway, ended up 302. I actually ended my trading at 260 or 27, no 260 or 250, and then I basically crawled myself up into the 300 for that last push in PIK, and I should have capitalized a little more. I was just really not expecting PIK to push that much, and with data being disconnected for some reason, I just kind of was missing out on a lot of the moves. So I'm gonna go work on setting up my data back on TradingView and just kind of trying to get back in the groove. But hopefully you guys capitalized. PIK definitely gave good opportunities today. Hopefully you made some money and stayed green. And tomorrow's Friday, and for the past 3 Fridays, right, or 2 Fridays, I've been red. So I might take it easy tomorrow, depending on what market gives us, right? Not going to try to push it. If it's going to be a red day, I'm going to try to keep it small. You know, if it's going to be green, then I'll be really appreciative. I know a lot of people are taking vacations and going places. It's really good weather outside right now on the East Coast. But anyway, guys, I'll definitely talk to you tomorrow. Whoever's going to be trading tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, 9:15. I'm in. Anyway, take care.